another very special shrub that you could incorporate in your Florida-friendly, Florida-native yard, and that's the scorpion tail. So as you can see, this is a perennial shrub to southern Florida, and mostly annual in North Florida, and it has nice showy white flowers that are so cute, and tiny little seeds. Let's see if I can grab one here that will fall and give you many more plants. And a lot of people complain that it tends to be a little woody, but in my case I don't mind it. They're very easy to take out, so you take out the older one or trim it down to the floor and new growth will come, and it won't always look this pretty. So you see the little seeds, and it grows about to 2 feet tall or smaller. This one here, yeah, maybe about 2 feet tall, and it grows in zone 8A, B, 9A, 9B. And the most beautiful thing about this shrub that it attracts so many wildlife. So you have butterflies like the zebra that comes to it all the time here in my house, go fritillary, the queen, the Florida white, the calcium blue. And also I came here just because this morning, and we've seen it before, but it's just so cute, the cardinal was eating from its seed. So it's great for birds too. And he was literally like jumping to get these little seeds. So it's so important to have a variety in your yard so you could attract more wildlife. So consider a new addition to your Florida friendly yard. Pick the scorpion tail.